Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a logo for free using Canva. Before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribe and share this video if you get some value from it. Let's get straight into the video. Canva is a great tool for all your graphic needs. You can use it to create really cool presentations, social media posts, videos and much more. So today we're going to go through step by step on how to create a logo for free. If you don't already have a Canva account, then you can go ahead and create a free account, or you can use the link in the description below where you can get a free 30-day trial using the full features of Canva. So there's two ways that you can create a logo. So I'm going to show you both ways really quickly. The first way is you can create a design. Can you see the top right hand corner here? So if you click create design, and what I would do is come straight down to the custom size here with the plus sign, click on the plus sign, and in the width and height I'd put 500 by 500 px, and then click create new design. So this is going to open a new box in a new tab, as you can see here. So it'll create this canvas here. So like you've got, can you see on the left hand side here, you've got all sorts of things that you can do with Canva. So you can create elements really quickly. I'll show you. You can add shapes if you wanted to. If you click on it, put a shape in, for example. You can in here. So you can put a header in, for example. If you put that in and you write simple whatever logos, and you can mess around with it. You can mess around with the font. You can mess around with the size, make it bigger or smaller. You can turn it into bold. You can change the color on it. You can do all sorts with this. You can, if you wanted to add a picture, you could always add a picture to the background, or by the photos here, and you can just make that bigger here. Really quickly I'm showing you here, so please bear with me. And then you can turn that into white. You see already it's starting to look like a good logo. You know what to say? you know there you are. Let's make that bigger. you know so you can do all sorts of things with this. Like, it's got so many different things that you can do. You can add a video in it, if you want to do audio, but you won't do it for this case. There's loads of different features that Canva has. So that's one of the ways that you can do it. So, if you've got like a graphic design head on you and you're good at designing, then you can use the elements, like you got the lines and shapes, you got the graphics, you got the stickers, you got the photos. You can create your own from scratch if you wanted to. But me, I don't do that because I've not got a graphic design on my head. So if you haven't got a graphic design, background, or you're not too good at designing a logo, what Canva also has is the second way, what I'm going to show you as well, on how to design the logo. So if you come back to the main page here again, you're going to do is click off this custom design. Let's click away from that. So you come back to the home page. You can do that by clicking Canva here. If you click that, it'll come back to the main page. So what you want to do here is, in this search box, what you want to write is logo. If you just start typing logo, you'll start getting different search results here. So you can do circle logo, food logo, gaming logo, just logo 500 by 500. There's animated logo, and there's search for logo. So what we're going to do is click on logo. So once you've typed in logo into the search box here, this is the page that will come up. As you can see, it's got 12,805 templates, which are logos. Some will be paid and some will be free. So some will be part of the pro version, and some will be free. So can you see the sign here that will be part of the pro version, the paid version? And these ones here, which hasn't got it in the right hand corner, they will be free. What that means is you can edit them and you can download and use them as a logo. Yeah, after editing them. I'm going to show you how to edit them really simply. So if you click on this one, just the minimalist kind of logo. So really quickly, I'm going to do a couple of edits to show you how easy it is. So here you go. So we've got here, I'm going to downsize it a little bit because I'm going to write the branded. I'm going to make it a bit longer so it fits in. Can you see how simple that is? And then I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Goes in the middle. There we are. And what I want to do, I want to put an element in this just to make it stand out a little bit more from what it is. What I'm going to do is go onto elements and I'm going to put another box in it just to kind of make it stand out a little bit. Click on this and I'm going to bring it from one corner to the other and I'm going to flip the colors around. So I want this inside to be white and the outside bit to be black. What I'm going to do is click on here after selecting it and I'm going to click white. I'm going to click away from here and I'm going to click on the canvas which is selected the outside of it. We'll go back to this background color here and I'm going to click black, sorry. So can you see? Wow, that looks great already. What I do is just send that backwards. Can you see? So can you see that really was simple to create that. It was already pre-made, the text and everything was as I wanted it. All I had to do is add an element in, add a box in, change the color about a little bit, and we've got a logo there. What I'm going to do straight away now, I'm going to show you how to download it. So what you're going to do is click on the share button here. This pop-up box will come up. What you're going to do is scroll down and you can download it here. So if you click the download button and it's got PNG suggested, I would suggest that as well. You can download it in JPEG if you wanted to. But I think it's best for complex images. This is the best version. And then if you wanted the extra features like transparent background or compress the file, etc., you will have to pay for the paid version. But for this and for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to just go with the free stuff. So you can save the download settings, but I'm just going to click download. And what that's going to do is download it onto your can you see on the left here? So what we're going to do is open it up just to show you how it's come out. There you are. So that's our logo that we've created really quickly using Canva. This is a simplified version of this uh, software. It's a great tool to have. There's so many things that you can do with it. I can go on and on and on about it, but I wanted to make this video short. What I'm going to try to do is create more videos that's going to show you how you can do other things with it, how you can create social media posts, how you can create thumbnails, how you can create videos or short videos. So I'm going to try to do that for you guys, in upcoming videos. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe if it's your first time here. Make sure you share it with family and friends. Like it, comment down below how you've liked it. Any comments on how I can improve it. I'm here to help you guys and bring you the best. So thanks, guys. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.